Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese crisps. First, select a firm cheese such as cheddar, Parmesan, or even Monterey Jack. Grate approximately 1 cup of your chosen cheese. Next, prepare your baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper or a silicone mat to prevent sticking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 190 degrees Celsius. This initial setup is crucial for achieving perfectly crispy results. Now let's get those cheese crisps baking. Spoon small, even mounds of your grated cheese onto the prepared baking sheet. Ensure you leave at least 1 inch of space between each mound, as the cheese will spread as it melts. Place the sheet into your preheated oven and bake for 5 to 8 minutes. Keep a close eye on them. They should be golden brown and bubbly around the edges. Once your cheese crisps are out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes. This brief cooling period helps them firm up slightly before you move them. Then, carefully transfer the crisps to a wire rack to cool completely. They will become perfectly crisp as they reach room temperature. For optimal freshness, store your finished cheese crisps in an airtight container for up to 5 days. You can easily customize your cheese crisps. Try adding a small pinch of garlic powder, onion powder, or even a dash of smoked paprika to the cheese before baking for an extra flavor kick. Don't be afraid to experiment with various cheese combinations, like a blend of cheddar and Parmesan, to discover your favorite. And hey, while you're enjoying these delicious crisps, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.